I feel like I'm not going to be good at this game, but it's all right.
You gotta have to do trivia?
You do trivia.
Oh my god.
Surprise! I know, right?
I've never done anything like this before.
You know what you guys are gonna end up doing is it's gonna be one of those YouTube videos like American React. All right, let's try. I'm ready. Bring it on.
So we've been playing a little game, and it is sort of like the battle of the Canadian treats, and we're just going to ask you if you are familiar with some of the treats that are very unique to Canada, if you've had them, if you would try them, and we'll definitely arrange to get some of them to you when you are at the conference.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Let's give it a go.
Poutine. Have you heard of this?
Is that the leader of Russia? Okay, no.
Poutine, do you know what that is?
I do, only because the president had it ordered when Justin Trudeau came down, and they had a special poutine dish, which is fries, cheese curds, and gravy. And it sounds gross, but I know that I'm going to have to try it when I get there.
Poutine, have you ever had it?
No.
Yes, I've definitely had that.
Butter tarts.
Have you had butter tarts before?
No, I have not.
Okay, now that is if I'm right, because I think we have these here too. It's a cookie that has it's just overt amounts of butter.
No.
Crap.
Butter tarts?
Nope.
No.
I've heard of them, but I don't know what they are. I love butter.
Timbits?
I don't have any idea what this is. They're not Tim Tams. I got them confused.
No.
They're not Tim Tams.
No, I've never heard of a Timbit.
Just like a donut hole, but we call it a Timbit.
Yeah. From Tim Hortons.
That's cute. That's so cute. So cute.
Nanaimo bars. Have you heard of these?
Say it again?
Nanaimo bars. Obviously not.
No.
No?
Nope.
No.
Never heard of it.
Nanaimo bars. Love them.
No, haven't had them either.
Super disgustingly
so good.
sweet, but so good.
You know what it is?
No.
I will make you the mint version. So good.
You have to go original.
No.
Original. Oh.
We'll do both.
Okay.
But mint is better.
Have you ever tried ketchup chips?
What? You know what? I'm adventurous. I would give those a try as well.
What is with the ketchup chips? Because this is disgusting. I hate ketchup.
Oh my god, that's a thing?
That's a thing.
It's a huge thing.
I've never even heard of that.
You will have some when you come. Yeah, they're great. I love them.
They're
Why
not.
don't you guys have normal flavors like ranch or sour cream and onion or like salt and vinegar?
We
Have
do.
those ketchup chips. Have you ever had a
I've heard of them. I don't think I've had them, though, actually. But yeah, I would totally love those. Mm.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Ketchup has like a gross sweetness to it.
Delicious sweetness.
And all dressed, which is everything on one, pretty much.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Does that sound good?
I don't know what that means.
Horrifying. It's pretty much like all the flavors. Just
That's
like
what it sounded like.
throw all the flavors on it. What do you think about
That
that?
sounds pretty gross.
Yep. I
No, those are good. Those
agree.
are good.
They're not good.
This is where we differ.
How about all dressed chips?
No, haven't heard of those.
It's just pretty much all the flavors on a chip.
I would like that too.
Oh, damn it.
I was gonna call that one point in my corner.
I think we have to do like a treat showdown at the conference. Get everybody up on stage trying treats for the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where this is going, maybe.
What do you think sounds more appetizing, ketchup or all dressed?
All the flavors.
I don't know. There's no answer for that question. Like, would you like to have a rectal exam or a lobotomy? I don't know. Neither.
We're gonna
you're
force
trying
everyone.
both. You're
We're
trying
gonna
both.
force everyone.
A little known fact about me, but if I wasn't doing all of this, I would like to be a professional taste tester. I feel like that's my dream job, would be just like tasting food and tasting wine.
You'll be in the right place.
Yeah.
I'm very food bribable.
I mean, you have me at butter. We are the dairy state, so I mean.
There we go.
What's a Timbit? What's a Tim Hortons? I don't know what this is.
Can I have like a whole like sample bar?
Yes. Yes.